if you want to record phone calls on Google Pixel 10, the first thing that you can do is check if you have a built-in phone call recorder. In some cases, in some regions, it might be possible to find a record button in the call menu during a call. So you might want to check that by, for example, going to more, or it might be accessible somewhere over here in the call menu in general. However, many countries do not have this option, unfortunately. So what we need to do is simply use a third-party app that allows us to get the option to record phone calls. So we can open the Play Store and you can simply search for like call recorder or something like that. There we go. And as you can see, we have multiple different apps that we can try to use. Now, in my case, I'm gonna use perhaps this one over here, but feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So let's see if it actually works on this phone. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Most of them are also automatic, so whenever you start a call, then these apps can start recording as well. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, so let's skip that. Over here we have a disclaimer, so let's press accept. We need to grant permissions. There we go. You might also want to switch to this app over here to set it as the default one, and let's press continue. We can also let the app always run in the background, and there we go. Now over here you should be able to also tap on these three lines in the upper left corner in order to make sure that the recorder is enabled. We also have some additional options over here, so you can check them out if you want to. But that is essentially it. Now, in case you get a call recording, and you should be able to find it, of course, over here, but in case it has a bad quality, you cannot hear the other person, what you can do is you can use the loudspeaker for calls that you actually want to record, because loudspeaker pretty much guarantees that the quality will be decent. In case you don't use it, the quality, the other person might not be heard on the recording. You might not be able to hear it. Or hear them actually. And that is pretty much it. Like I said, in case this app doesn't work for you or it doesn't work as intended for you, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.